A hole in drywall that's larger than the head of a nail requires more repair than just the application of some spackling. For larger holes, you can cut out the hole into a regular shape, like a square, then cut a small piece of drywall to the same size and shape for the patch. To install the patch, you'll need to install a couple pieces of blocking, like 1x2s, into the hole and attach them with drywall screws so that half of the block is visible in the hole. This will support the patch and allow you to screw it to the blocking. Next, you'll cover the seams with drywall joint compound and press drywall tape into it. After several additional coats of joint compound and a little sanding, the repair will be smooth. For smaller holes, you can buy a self-adhesive patch that is reinforced with wire mesh to cover the hole before applying several coats of joint compound and sanding. In either case, the repaired area will be smooth, which will be a problem if you have textured walls. This texture, often called orange peel, helps to hide flaws in the drywall. The solution is to treat the repaired area with texture in a can. Test the spray first on a scrap piece of cardboard so that you can match the texture of your walls. Then apply it to the patch using a random pattern and slightly overlapping the adjacent area. Once it dries, you're ready for paint, and no one will be the wiser.